Hello everyone, in previous video we have made this static one and I have told that we have database already and we will make this. Let's first of all go to our database in localhost, and this is the table of the category, and we have many things here that we have previously created. I have previously created this and I need these values in my option. Now I will create this option here. Before the option I will just use PHP. Let's create this PHP. Save this here and make this. Now here we have to use some select command and I will make this category query is equal to select star from the table name is category, and this is the query. Let's check the table name here. This is category. Let's confirm this here by pasting here. Now we have to make result is equal to mysqli underscore query con command dollar category query, or we have to make this die if it will not give the result. MySQL I underscore error now dollar MySQL con dollar connection. But here thing is that I am confusion here. I am not include PHP here. Let's require PHP and this require ons is that we have include folder include slash connection dot php global dollar connection. Only this we have to do here, and let's make this. Yes, we have already created this connection. Now while our result while dollar row is equal to mysql sqli underscore fetch, this is array, sorry for this fetch fetch array, this will give from dollar result, and we will now start to make the option. Now this will be included in PHP because what.php this is, and I will close this here. Now we have make this command. Now we will make option here. Here we need to pass it only once, not many times. This is the advantage of using loop here. It will run up to when there is rows. echo, we'll echo simply here dollar row, and we will echo only name. Should we close here and yes tag 2. Let's see if our form has adopted this. Yes, we have all the thing here. Now the things is what we want is, first of all I will refer this. This is extracting from upward to lower, but I don't want this. I want to arrange this by alphabetically order from this name. For this we have to make this select command. Only here you have to change order by name. Let's see if we got same thing here. Let's say yes, we have get this by ordering A, then J, then P, and then R. If you want to order by descending order, just make the ESC here. Now it should give me in the descending order. Yes, this is giving me in the descending order. Let's make ascending here only, and this is how we can extract the value here. And next video we will upload the file chosen here. You may know here we are choosing here, and there may be anything here. I don't find any file. Here is any file you can choose here, and this is choosing this HTML. Now next video we will upload here file, and this will be all the things will be uploaded in the database. Thank you for watching this.